sleepy. This always happens after I've had such a large meal. Lucky for you, I'm not hungry anymore because you look so tasty. I could swallow you in one bite. Nom, 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 nom. Why, you look delicious. Candy. Your candy looks delicious is what I meant to say. Please, come sit near me and pass some time in my shade. Oh, food. I'm starving. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, my apologies. I bloom on Halloween night. The moonlight wakes me up, and my vines and tendrils creep outward in search of nutrients. Perhaps a large morsel for me to devour whole. I love Halloween, don't you? Who, me? No, I haven't seen your neighbor. Pardon me, my manners. No, I haven't seen your cat either. Ah, there she is.